Candidates so far, Mark Golding and Lisa Hanna, signed a code of conduct agreement governing campaigning. Mark Golding spoke with the media after the signing.
The People's National Party has struggled with internal squabbles for years, which some say is at the root of their successive by-election and general election defeats. With another leadership election on November 7, the members, including the candidates, know exactly what is at stake.
Everybody in the party who I speak to is very tired of the lingering divisions that have plagued us over internal matters. I think it is generally understood and accepted that for the PNP to revive its fortunes, it has to unite.
So far, Mark Golding and Lisa Hanna are the only two members who have actively indicated their bid for the top post. But Mark Golding says he has been showing delegates that he is the better option for the future of the party by focusing on what he brings to the table.
In terms of my history in the private sector as a successful lawyer, one of the top corporate lawyers in the country, I've built 2 successful businesses. I'm a respected legislator. I have a lot of experience in parliamentary matters as the person who was responsible for the legislative agenda of the last PNP government. And also how I've operated in my constituency as the person who got the most PNP votes in the last election and increased my majority over what I got in the by-election of 2017 quite substantially.
Regardless of who is elected president, the party has a greater challenge of resonating with voters and making itself relevant again.
In terms of resonating with the people, I think that the People's National Party needs to really focus on developing a message that is relevant and will appeal to Jamaica of today, but which is in keeping with our core beliefs and our core purpose. As you know, we are the party that has always championed issues of social justice and building a more equal and fair society.
There is also the view that the party is no longer attractive to younger voters.
The PNP-YO in my constituency, South St. Andrew, is the strongest in any constituency in Jamaica. We have well over 100 active members, which has been something I have been nurturing deliberately and bringing the youth leaders into the mainstream of what we do. And that is something I think we have to do at the national level as well.
The other candidate, Lisa Hanna, left the ceremony before reporters got a chance to speak with her.